When you're working a job, you have to exchange your time for money. That 1 hour, you'll never get it back. You know, at first I was like, oh my god, I decided to take on content creation full time, but I'm legit freaking out. I have to mindfully start thinking of ways to make money. I'm actually kind of waiting to blow up so the brands can reach out to me instead of me reaching out to them. Universe, hear me. Why am I screaming? Oh my god, I want brand deals. But why get brand deals when you can create your own product and sell your own product? Monday morning, my favorite day of the week. Monday. Oh, this one, oh my god, it's not going to turn out the way it should. Right. I think I'm going to use this as a smoothie because, bro, I was not able to eat it. Finish the almond milk before it goes bad. Kefir, probiotics, just a little bit. More vegetables than anything. I want to add peanut butter, but I have no space, so let's just do this first. Oh, this stove, I feel like I'm going to have so many accidents today. Anyway, good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, welcome. For those that have been here a while, welcome back. Oh my god, it's been a hell of a ride on this content creator journey, and I don't know what this video is going to be about, but for now all I know is that I have to be at work soon in 1 hour. Not to work, like I said, I didn't quit my job, I reduced my hours, so I have like a 1 hour sprint today, so I'm going to go to work for 1 hour. And the way this camera is focusing here, don't do that. Behave yourself, girl. Just about to track my habits for this morning, which I'm proud of. By the way, did I tell you that I chose to stop tracking waking up at 6 a.m. or 5 a.m. because I realized that it makes me procrastinate? When I wake up in the morning and the first thing that I'm supposed to be doing I haven't done, immediately I start thinking, oh my god, Sheila, you're a loser. Oh my god, you cannot get your shit together, blah, blah, blah. We are done with that. That's all negative energy. So yeah, I had to change that talk because accidents were bound to happen. I'm just looking for my bus. I'm going to go to work. I actually haven't you know what I'm excited about today? I'm excited about the fact that I've started using Notion. Notion, it's chef's kiss. And the reason why is because I have so many things on my mind everywhere, and I found a way to put everything in there because there's formulas and all that stuff that makes it so easy for me to see what's coming up in a week, as opposed to me sitting down and be like, what am I going to do today? It has everything organized in priorities, what needs to be done, all them things, and it doesn't show me everything. The way I've set it up is that it shows me what's most important and of high priority, meaning everything that week, and I put that stuff in my journal. Wow, it has cut my productivity time into half, which is great. I know there is no bus to go to work right now because I'm late. You know that dragon fruit, it doesn't taste very nice because I can actually taste it. It's dominating the smoothie. It's very beautiful, but the taste, maybe it's one of those that are acquired tastes. Anyway, I feel like I'm talking too much. I will be back here when I have something important to say, okay? Okay.
We used to have each other's playlists. No, we used to be each other's best friends. Yeah, and now we go our separate pathways, but your heart's still in mine. Yeah, and maybe we could try it next week again, but I don't wanna think we're toxic.
you something, guys? I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out big time. Oh, yeah, I had to remove that. I was just checking if my phone is still recording. I'm freaking out big time. I know at first I was like, oh my god, I decided to take on content creation full time, but I'm legit freaking out and I need to find sources of making money, because you don't make money from just making videos. So I have to mindfully start thinking of ways to make money aside from my business, because there is that. However, I need more sources of income, and that's what today's video is going to be about. I'm about to step into work. I just wanted to put up my journals, get them ready, just refill my journals, and yeah, I'm going to edit some videos, and then yeah, so I mindfully need to start looking for ways to make money. I never thought this day would come, but I told myself, I actually was telling my friend yesterday that when I share something with you, I actually put in the work. I'm more intentional with it than when I don't. So I'm sharing this with you. It's a very tough journey. I don't know what I'm going to do for money, but I have some ideas, and that's what I want to share with you in today's video. So I'm going to sit down and plan the things that I want to do, and just be like sure of what I want to do, create a plan, and I'm going to tell you about the plan. It's the next day and I'm not feeling well at all. That's why I didn't continue this video yesterday, and today I'm just going to sit down, chill, give you a little brief info, because I'm still working on doing some research. I'm making some medication. Hopefully I feel better soon, but still I'm going to go ahead with this video today. I'm going to tell you as much as I can with the energy that I have. I know it doesn't look like I'm sick because I just took a cold shower, and cold showers just give you so much energy. And I know it's counterintuitive, like when you're not feeling well. The way I'm not feeling well is actually hard to describe. It's not like I have a headache. Yesterday I thought, no, it's not like I have a headache. Let me not even lie. It's not a headache. It's just, you know, when your eyes feel like heavy. You can't even put signs and symptoms to it. I just feel off, like lightheaded, cold, hot type situation. Anyway, I'm making some turmeric tea. In here I have 3 garlic cloves, ginger, turmeric. Oh, I forgot to add black pepper because it helps activate the turmeric. Let's do that. Normally I would blend this. If you guys have been here a while, you know my little ginger turmeric shots, but it's freaking cold outside. It's freaking winter. I ain't got time to do that. Also, it takes a lot of time, and I'm lazy. I'm not feeling good. I should stop saying that, because when you say that, you claim it. I'm not claiming that energy. That's why I'm here recording this. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and record this video. Well, my tea cooks, let me tell you a few things I've come up with so far. This is what I'm personally going to do for myself, ways to make money on social media. I'm going to share the things I've tried, things I'm going to continue trying, because anyway, all the things I've tried, I'm going to keep them going now, but I'm going to be more mindful. Previously, I wasn't even being mindful. I was just doing them. You know what? This phone is going to drive me crazy. I know I keep saying that, but I can't. Anyway. What was I saying? Things that I've tried before. I tried them before, but I wasn't being mindful and intentional. And because I wasn't intentional, I was just hoping that I will do them and something happens. But now that I don't have a choice, I actually have to be very strategic with them. So let's get started. Oh, this is actually a good view. I'm going to just stay right here because I have some notes on my phone. Right, so if you watched my previous video, or if you're new into content creation, I'm pretty sure you know that YouTube is a way to make money. Just by making YouTube videos, you make money. One of the videos, actually 3 of the videos that make me the most money on YouTube, one I uploaded in 2018, the other I uploaded in 2020 and 2021, but they're still making me the most money up until today. Passive income is one of the greatest things when you're a content creator, because like you don't have to put in so much work. I mean, you put in work when you started, but it's not like you have to keep on putting work in all the time. You know, like a job, when you're working a job, you have to exchange your time for money, but that 1 hour you'll never get it back. But me, I always get that 1 hour back I used to edit, because of course I'm making money from YouTube or from my content and things like that. Actually, so let's start talking about passive income first. The next thing is Amazon affiliates. I do Amazon affiliates. For example, a lot of people ask me what camera I'm using. They ask me what tripod I use. And I have so many tripods. They ask me what ring light I use. And because I've been creating content for a long time, a lot of people look to me for certain things. Not a lot of people. Some people make that I'm blowing my own horns. But you know what? I'll be back. Okay. The Bluetooth device is not ready to pair anymore. Chinese things. Anyway, what was I saying? I was saying that, yeah, I'm going to blow my own horn. Why can't I say... You guys, my phone is ringing. Man, I hate this shit. I'm not going to pick up. Yeah, like I was saying, some people look to me as inspiration and they ask me, which is something I'm grateful for, that I've come to this point right now that people can trust me enough to ask me certain questions. So they ask me what products I'm using and I link them. Actually, you know what? I'm going to start doing that. I haven't been doing that a lot lately, but now, you see, I told you I need to be more mindful. I'm going to put all the equipment that I use in my description box down below if you want to find out cameras that you should use, all that stuff. That's how you make money on YouTube. I'm not telling you to buy, I'm just recommending to you things that I use. If you're new into content creation and you want to, figure out which gadgets to use, I will link them in the description box down below. You see what I did there? I'm recommending these things to you, and if you buy them, I get a cut off of it. That's passive income. I did not do anything much. I just recommended something to you, and you might or might not buy it. So I'm personally an Amazon affiliate. There's so many affiliate programs you can join. I'm not so keen on that because I'm not a consumer. I don't consume a lot of products, but I do use Amazon. I do buy a lot of things from Amazon. That's why I'm like, okay, oh God, I'm going to scream. Just threw my phone away. What? Can I tell you something? It's like these work calls target when I'm doing my content and then they decide to come in. I don't want to do this anymore because if you're going to come in every time I'm recording, it's a very big inconvenience to me and I cannot take this. That's why I decided to do this. I want to do my content creation full time. I'm so sorry for the mini rant. This is a real depiction of what happens in my life. Did I just throw my phone? I just threw my phone. Where was I? I was talking about passive income and how I personally do Amazon affiliates, and you can do whichever one you want. When people know, like, and trust you and you recommend stuff, I'm looking for the word and I can't find it, they tend to trust your recommendation. I didn't want to use trust again. So if you're here watching this video and you're a new content creator, you might know, like, and trust me, and you might buy some of these things. The reason I love Amazon affiliates is because when a person clicks on the link that you recommended, they might buy, they might not, but they might buy something else. The fact that you help them get to that platform, I still make a cut off of it, and that's how I make money from Amazon affiliates. Maybe in the future I'll go in depth on how much I exactly make and in depth of how each of these things that I'm sharing works, but I'm not going to go in depth today. But if you want to know, just let me know which form of income you'd like to hear more about in the comment section down below, and I'll make a dedicated video for it. Next form of passive income, which I actually really love, and this is something I venture so much into, is digital products. I have about 3 digital products. And if you're a content creator, of course, people are not going to buy your products if you're not marketing them. So I know as a new content creator, the first thing people want to do is like, oh my God, I want brand deals. But why get brand deals when you can create your own product and sell your own product? And you're going to have creative flexibility, all those things. You don't have to go according to the brand rules and all that stuff. It's perfect. So depending on what it is you do, I'm a lifestyle content creator. I struggle with procrastination and self-sabotage, so I created products around that. They're digital products. Like, literally, when someone goes to click and buy on it, I don't have to do anything. It's already there. So it's passive in the sense that you do it once and it's right there. All you have to do is market it and whatever, and people will come and buy without you doing any more work. You don't have to ship, you don't have to worry about shipping time, all them things, nothing. Not even stocking up, because it will always be there, and that is a perfect form of income. I need to start focusing more on my digital products, because for a while there I had put them on hold. So that's another way you can make money, digital products. And then of course physical products. You guys know, shameless plug. Actually, I was just restocking this yesterday, restocking my shelves. I do have a physical product. This is not the only physical product I have. I have 2 physical products. I have stickers. I have this journal, the 90-day video 1-day journal, and stickers. So these stickers, I also haven't been marketing them. As I was doing my restock yesterday, I saw them and I'm like, oh my God, I need to be marketing these more. These are stickers. You don't need to buy the journal. You might have your own journal, but you want stickers to make your journal look cute, and all them things. Look, These ones are wellness stickers. They have working out, meal plan, project, whichever project you're working on. If it's a mentorship or whatever, learning, budgeting. They have me time, they have cleanup, you know, they're really cute. And then this one is social media stickers, just Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. You know when you have like a regular notebook and you just want to make it look cute, these are the stickers, and they're not that expensive. I think they're about $3. Yeah, something like that. So yeah, physical products are great, but of course I know when people are starting out, this is a very big investment. It was very expensive for me at the time when I bought them, bro. This whole thing cost me about $10,000. If you watch the video, I did do a whole series of coming up with this journal. I'm going to link the series here, and I'll link it in the description box down below as well as the end of this video. But I went through a roller coaster of emotions, which I feel like I'm about to go into a roller coaster of emotions because of this whole trying to figure out my finances and how to make them be stable. But yeah, I'm one of those people that put myself in very difficult situations, but God always comes through. God does not disappoint, let me tell you. I do the most weird things, like I moved to this country, like with no money, no nothing, and I was here, no paperwork, zero. And aren't I thriving? I'm thriving! So yeah. I'm saving the best for last because it's going to be the continuation of this video, and that's something I want to venture in this week. But the next way you can make money is through brand deals. Now, I haven't ventured into this. I've done a bunch of brand deals, not so big. Most of them were gifted and only 2 were paid, but that's why I don't venture so much into brand deals, because at the time when I was doing it, I was not being intentional, I was not being mindful, and the whole thing of me reaching out to brands didn't feel good. Even up to now, I'm actually kind of waiting to blow up so the brands can reach out to me instead of me reaching out to them. Low-key, I'm putting it out in the universe. Universe, hear me. Why am I screaming? Anyway, yeah, brand deals. I'm not going to get so much into that because I have very little knowledge about that. But last but not least, something I'm venturing in, and I've started. I actually did, like last year in August, I was so ready to do this whole thing, UGC, user generated content. Yo, now that I'm talking, I'm feeling a little bit, I'm not feeling sick. You know what's so funny? When you say you're sick, you feel sick. When you start doing other things, you don't feel sick. And that's how I feel right now. So if you look at my profile, see up there, it says UGC creator. I dipped my toes in UGC at some point, but I fell off the wagon, and now I want to get back on, like real start from scratch. And if you're looking to start UGC, I'm going to do a whole separate series sharing my UGC journey. So if you're interested in starting UGC, definitely subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. So UGC, user generated content means, you see how you get brands and make brand deals. I feel like they're for influencers, and I don't feel like I'm an influencer. I feel like I'd like to call myself a content creator. The thing about this is brands have a way of not paying the creator how much they are worth. That's why I'm choosing to do UGC, because that way you can negotiate the deliverables, meaning brands pay you to make a video for them. I'm not putting it on my website, I'm not putting it on any of my platforms, I'm just making the video and giving it to them for marketing. So of course, if a brand is going to make, let's say, $1 million from that one video, shouldn't they pay you a cut? The UGC avenue gives you a lot of room to negotiate. You can ask the brand, how are you going to use my video? How long do you want the video to be? Are you going to use it for marketing? Are you going to use it for paid advertising? And all these little things. Is it going to be a voiceover? Do you need me to put my face? Do you need me to do whatever? Whatever it is that they need you to do, it's an extra charge. That way you make more money than you getting a brand deal. Especially as a small creator starting out, I feel like UGC is better than getting brand deals because there is more room for negotiation. So you're going to be seeing more UGC content from me. My tea is ready, so I'm going to drink some tea, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video where we talk about starting UGC for real. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to let me know in the comment section down below what you'd like me to talk about more in depth, because I have a lot of information. I just cannot put it in one video. As always, don't forget to stay motivated, be patient, trust the process, and spread the love. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. I love you all. Thank you guys for watching. Share this video with your friend. If you're not on the content creator journey, just share it with another friend who you know who wants to do content creation. It will really help me grow. And like I told you, YouTube is a form of income. The more you watch, the more ads you watch, the more money I make. Okay, yalla, bye.